So the sculpture, the made of ceramic, is a continuation of some projects that I've been working on over the last few years, utilizing ceramic and making it into sculptures that replicate styrofoam. By doing this, there's a lot of different kind of things that could be talked about, making comparisons between these two materials regarding technology or consumption and the way we consume things food wise, and also just kind of trash and history. The way that ceramic is a material that does not erode over time and is often used to date and understand past cultures. Styrofoam is also a material that does that, although much more recent and not something that we might consider every day as far as the kind of impact over time that these types of materials will have. And the security envelope sculpture is a more recent direction that I've been working on over the last year. Still be utilizing the same kind of trompe l'oeil effect, but thinking more about my hand versus the mechanical reproduction of the patterns for the envelope. So I think there's definitely similarities between these two pieces. And like throughout most of my kind of practice as an artist, I try to let each piece kind of take on the form and material that it needs, and as often as a response to something that I've been doing before. So as different as these two sculptures might seem, they also seem very similar to me in ideas and execution and kind of the spirit of it.